welcome back to my channel. It is D from Busy with D. Today I'm going to be showing you guys what I use to pack Delia and Demaurice lunch in. It's like the 4th, maybe the 5th week of school. So I've used most of this stuff. Some of this stuff I just picked up today. But mainly what I used are the Yumboxes. This is Demaurice, hers is the pink one. This is Delia's. Demaurice has 4 compartments, and then this is the main area. Then I put normally snacks or sauce in here, and for these two it's usually like a fruit or a vegetable. So this is what she uses. She's in kindergarten, so it's really easy for her to open. Now for Delia, she has this one. Hers has 5 compartments. Yeah, hers has 5 compartments, and I usually put her main item in here, granola bar or pretzels or something in there, and then fruit or vegetable. I have a few lunch videos up, so if you guys want to check that out, I'll link them above. And I got these two from Amazon. You can also get them from Yumbox.com, but I'll leave the link to most of this stuff if I can find it in the description box. This is Demaurice's water bottle. This one came from Target. It was like, I think I got it on sale, buy one get one, 10% off or 20% off, something like that. And the lid just flips open like that. And she takes this. Here is Delia's. And hers is the same, lid just flips open. And then I have their initials on the bottom. Next, they have their Thermos. These came from Amazon. They were $10. Delia's is this teal turquoise blue color. It is 12 ounces. And the brand is SLM. Again, I'll link it below. And then this keeps their food pretty warm. I've only had one problem, and that's macaroni and cheese, and that was the second time I sent it. It wasn't warm, so maybe I didn't leave the boiling water in here long enough, but they work really good. Delia got this one last year at the end of the school year, and Demaurice really wanted one, so I got this one this year before school started, and hers is the pink one, 12 ounces as well, and $10 off Amazon. Next are these 2 little containers right here. So I got these from Dollar Tree for $1. They have the ice pack in the top that you can pop out and put in the freezer. I normally use this when they take something like this. I put their fruits and vegetables in here and to keep it cool. But they work okay. These ice packs fall out a lot on top of the food, but I guess that's fine. See, it fell in. So this one is Delia's, and then the pink one is Demaurice. Next, I have these kind of like Sistema knockoffs from Dollar Tree. They were $1 as well. I think this one is broke. Maybe not. I've been trying to close it. Okay, no, it's not broke, but it has the latches on the side like Sistema. I've used this only for taco shells, so I put the taco shells in here, and their black beans and rice in here because we're vegetarians. So I keep the black beans and rice warm, and then put the taco shells and whatever sauce or whatever they need in here. So this one is Demaurice, and the blue one is Delia's, and it just has the little latches on the side. Here are the Sistema brand containers, and they are the 2 compartment ones. Demaurice takes these for lunch. Delia hasn't taken this yet. The blue one is hers, and the pink one is Demaurice, but Demaurice takes both of them. If this one is clean, if this one is dirty, she'll take this one. But I'm going to start Delia on taking hers because she has snack time as well towards the end of the day, and Demaurice's snack time is in the morning. So I'll just pack both of them one. Usually I just put Delia's snack in a Ziploc bag or something like that, or I just give her the little mini packs of cookies, Oreos or something like that, and she'll take that. I have 3 of these. They came in a pack of 3. 2 purples, 1 pink, and it has the little 4 snaps on the side, and just a little small container. They don't take these to school. I think Delia took it once with vanilla wafers, but these are usually for the car. Like when I pick them up on Tuesdays, we have a long day because they have swim lessons and dance lessons and all that stuff. So I just pack a snack in here. Next we have, this is Demaurice snack bag. All of their lunch bags and stuff like that are getting washed today. This has like hair in it, but it just says snack and her name, and her water and this little container go in there for snack time. This is Demaurice lunch box. It is, I thought it was I thought it was Arctic Zone. This brand right here, this lunchbox came from Walmart. It was like $1.50. I bought two. One was $1.50 and the other one was $2.50. So it was either $2.50 or $1.50. It's Arctic Zone. That is the brand. Arctic Zone. So this right here is Demaurice Lunch Bag. And I like it because it expands. Okay, so this is it expanded. It has a zipper right here on the bottom part to expand if I needed to. That way I can fit her thermos, a lot of stuff if I needed to. Water bottle, all of that could fit in here, so a lot of space. But if I don't need all of that space, I just zip this up right here. I just zip it up and then it gets a little bit more compact like a normal lunchbox. And this brand is Dabney Lee. And then Delia's, okay, Delia's is Arctic Zone. Hers is Arctic Zone, and it's pretty much the same thing. It will expand, and then if I don't need it to, I can just zip it up. Okay, for their sandwich cutters, I picked these up. Well, I ordered these off of Amazon. It came with all of these right here and the little veggie and cheese cutters. I've used the heart only for the Baby Bell cheese for Delia, so this is the only thing I've used so far. I've had this since like the second week of school. My oldest one enjoys the shapes more than my youngest one. These, I just picked these up because I really needed ice packs. I went to eat lunch with Demaurice, who is my kindergartner, and her lunch is late. That's why they have a snack at like 10 a.m. but her lunch is at 12:25 or something like that. And when I went to eat lunch with her, her vegetables they weren't in here, they were in her Yumbox, but her vegetables were cold. I mean, her vegetables were warm, her Capri Sun drink was warm, so picked up these from Marshall's and they were only $6, $5.99. Picked these up today. And then I also wanted to get some reusable bags. This is really what I went for because I've been using Ziploc bags since the beginning of the school year and it's just really wasteful to me and I'm tired of buying them. So pick these up. I have two of the smaller ones and then two of the sandwich size. I also have these from Dollar Tree. It's $1 for a pack of 10. Just little containers. I haven't used these yet, but maybe I will for, I don't know what. I have containers for sauce. I'll show you that in a minute. But yeah, I just picked these up. I thought I would use them, but I haven't yet. But I do film lunch videos like every other week, so just keep watching and maybe I'll figure out what to do with this. Maybe I'll put hummus in this at one point or something. Here are some of the sandwich cutters. I have the crown and then the butterfly. Okay, I also got this from Amazon. It's kind of like a crustable maker. It seals the edges, I think. I've only used it once. And you can put the panda face on the sandwich and you just put the sandwich in here. This came from Amazon and I forgot the price, but I'll link it in the description box. These are the little, I don't even know what they're called. They're just like little containers. I got these from Amazon. I have a huge pack. I put their mustard in here because I don't want it to stain the Yumbox. I put it in there once and it was really hard to get out. So I put mustard in here and I put taco sauce in here, like red things and things that might stain their Yumbox. It has a little lid and I just fill it up, snap the top on and put it inside of their Yumbox. Or I fill this with cheese for tacos, shredded cheese, and I just put it in here next to their shells. Next, I have this container that I don't use for lunch, but I keep their picks in. This came from Dollar Tree. The container was $1, but the picks came from Amazon. Have little doggies, elephants, and then these picks right here came from Target. Music pick, a little diamond, and then I have eyes. This came from Amazon. And I thought this would be great for my 5-year-old, but she does not like eyes in her food. So I used it for my 4th grader. She really likes these, the little heart ones and stuff. She doesn't like the eyes. Lastly, I have these silicone cups. They came from Amazon in a pack. The heart shape, circle, and rectangle. Also, forgot, I send my oldest with these sometimes. The little fact and funny. I have a little booklet of these from Target, and what I've done is I only have one with me because I'm in the process of laminating them. I'm laminating them myself so that they are wipeable and I can use them for my kindergartner when she is at this reading level. Okay, you guys, that is pretty much all I have. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.